Hey everybody, it's Coach Schuler and hope you're well. So I want you to Google this phrase, Physical Activity Guidelines, second edition. You can add that and you're gonna see pop up an awesome resource that comes out every couple of years. Basically, it's gonna suggest 150 to 300 minutes of physical activity per week can decrease cardiovascular disease, other illnesses, and decrease mortality. Basically, the quality of our life can be better if we are active. Now, if you Google American Heart Association, Harvard study, physical activity, they just came out with a study that basically says, a 30-year study. If you double the suggested recommendation, like I mentioned earlier, that you get double the benefits, you get more benefits. Now, I'm all about helping people get started where they are. Now, if you've been following me, you know my style. Exercise snacks is where to go, where to begin. If you don't have the means to buy a fancy equipment, it's okay, because you don't need a fancy equipment to get active and get the benefits and the training effects of being active. Now, I'm gonna help you two ways. First, look up that Physical Activity Guidelines, the second edition, and they're gonna explain what they mean, the terms like moderate to high intensity, also for older adults, people with disability, comorbidities, adolescents, prenatal, postpartum, because we want to encourage everyone to get active. So that's a fantastic resource to start. Secondly, if you're looking for a roadmap and some guidance, I have something for you. So it's my app. There is no gimmick. There is no credit card information that you need to exchange. Basically, it's 14 days. In there, you have access to body weight exercises for all levels of fitness, so you don't need any equipment. And they're all designed to reverse and counter the negative effects of sitting and smart devices. There's therefore barbell training, foam rolling, stretches, everything and anything that you may or may not have at home. I have something for everybody. Also, you can reach out to me with any questions. So basically what I'm trying to do is be part of the solution to help you get started today. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm here to help. I want us to get stronger together.